Welcome back, folks. Here I am once again trying to make another candy bouquet for Rakshabandhan or Rakhee. So this time we're trying to do a bit of a simpler example. This one might be better suited for young kids. So these are the things we need for making this candy bouquet for little kitties. We have some modeling clay or Play-Doh. We have lollipops. We have loony candies, which I've stood out on a bamboo skewer. Because you can also get bamboo skewers that are small as well as those that are big. So I'm using a small bamboo skewer here. And I've got the M&M tube. So yeah, just for effect. And so here we are going to start. So what I'm trying to do here with this mug is I'm going to try to press with the mug things here. Got half a mug up, and this is what I managed to fill up. So, okay, so this is what we are going to do now is we'll use this tube here. This is pretty tall. So this will stick. And then what we'll do is we got these lollipops, and now I'll try to make the lollipops stand. As you can see with this loony one that I'm putting up. And then I'll just show you how I did this. It was very easy. So I got tails on both sides. It kind of reminds me of the Amitabh Bachchan movie Sholay on both sides. So if you always make your friend bet tail, you'll win. So yeah, so this is how we got it. And voila, here is the mug. Enjoy your Rakshabandhan.